Namaskar, welcome to this lesson of Learn Bharatanatyam. In today's lesson, we are going to do a part 1 of Vande Mataram. Now, before you start learning this, disclaimer, if you have not learned the basic adavus of Bharatanatyam, at least 4 to 5 and Asanyuta Hasta or Sanyuta Hasta, then this tutorial is not for you. However, if you are really interested in learning Bharatanatyam based choreography and Bharatanatyam as well, then I will link the playlist over here and in the description box below. So, go through that training, it will definitely help you to learn faster. Now, which Vande Mataram we are doing? I am going to link that track in the description box below. For obvious reasons, I cannot play it right now over here. I am going to teach you count by count as well as I am going to try and sing for you. Okay? So, let us start with the introduction of the song. So, that is one particular music which is played before the actual lyric starts. So, you have 16 counts. So, we are going to count 8, 8, 8. Okay? In those first 8, 4 counts we are going to leave. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If this is the count, first 4 counts we are going to leave. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the next 4 counts we are going to do this movement. Okay? I am going to shift a little bit this side because you are going to enter from the wings to the stage. Okay? So, what we are going to do is tai tai tam. 1, 2. Now, notice one thing that I am crossing my foot instead of just doing tai tai tam. I am crossing my foot tai tai tam. This helps you to travel. Okay? So, what we are going to do is tai tai tam. Now, I am going to turn towards my right and go in Alida position this way. Now, my back foot which is on Agratala will come here nearby my foot. Now, the whole combination will look like this. Okay? We are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So, if you are my audience and I am going to enter from this, I am going to repeat this 3 times. Alright. So, I am going to go into my left corner and I am going to wait for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, in case if you reach at the end of the stage, to do tai tai tam on the other side in order to get back to the center. 7, 8. Okay? Or else you can continue and come into the center. It depends really on the stage size, right? I have a smaller stage here. You might have a bigger stage. So, it is going to repeat thrice. So, instead of this movement on the 3rd count, you can just do tai tai tam. Alright. Now, how we are going to do the hands? We are going to keep the Anjali Hasta, do not drop it, do not drop your shoulders, keep the shoulders rolled back, hands joined properly, distance in between your chest. So, what we are going to do is, we are going to turn that on towards the right. So, tai tai tam. Now, this whole movement is going to continue with the Anjali Hasta forward. Okay? Make sure you are bending from here and keep the back straight like that. Okay? Don't slouch. Keep the back straight. Now, this hand will come back to the left while you are keeping the toe next to your foot. Okay? So, the whole combination with hands and legs together will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and I am in the center. You ended up over here. Now, from here the Vande Mataram lyrics starts. Okay. So what we are going to do, I'll show you the whole thing and then I will explain it to you. Okay. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Now for Sujalam Sufalam, this is the action. Sujalam Sufalam Malayaj Sheetalam. Okay, let's try that. Now when you start with Vande Mataram, we are going to go down with Chatur as you do it for your Namaskriya. Vande Mataram. Stay here in Arabhandi position only. Okay. From here you are going to go right Ginatum. Ginatum, Ginatum, Ginatum. Straight. Okay. Then from here Sujalam. So we are going to show the water. Now I am not going to explain the meaning and everything because then the video gets longer and some people get irritated. So you can Google the meaning. I am just going to show you the lyrics and the action. So Sujalam is you are going to show the water from here. So see, you are sitting in Aramandi position. Your left foot goes here, right foot on Suchi, and then you are going to switch. Okay. Sujalam. Now with the left foot forward, you are going to show a tree. Again my back foot is on Suchi. Okay. Tree. Then when you show the branches, you will take the foot closer and then you are going to show its blooming or the fruits. Okay. After this, I am going to turn towards my right and take a turn while going back, while showing the Malayaja Shitalam. So, see Pataka this way and this way. So, I will go back to the center. Okay. Now, for the same reason, you need to know your Viniyogas because this is how it is going to help you. Okay. Now, you ended up over here with the right hand out and left hand here. Now, this right hand will come nearby your belly to show the productivity, okay, or the creativity. So, this Mukula Alapadma, while my left hand is in a Latakya or Dola Hasta position. Okay, Mukula Alapadma. This and then my Dola Hasta will go here. Very beautiful, like that. So, this action is going to be Sasya Shamalam. Shamalam, you have to do this. Sasya Shamalam Mataram. Now, my mother. Okay, you can keep this hand at the back also. So, mother, you show it from Mukula here. Okay. Now, from here, we are going to do Ginnatum, Ginnatum, Ta. So, same hand gesture which we did it or hand movement which we did it for an earlier Vande Mataram. Did, tai, ta. So, the whole thing is going to look like this. Sasya Shamala Mataram Vande Mataram. Until here, let us do it from the beginning. Remember, we have to leave 4 counts. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Sasya Shamalam Mataram. Mataram, Vande Mataram. Okay. Now let's move on to the next line. Shubhra Josna Pulakita Yamini. Okay. So how we are going to show that? Shubhra Josna. We are going to show the full moon on the left. Okay. Standing in Sthanaka position. Shubhra Josna. So moonlight. Shubhra Josna. We are going to go back with the right foot, right, left and stay there, or you can continue walking also. Okay. So how we are going to do? Shubhra Josna Pulakita Yaminim. As if it's all lit up by the moonlight. So you ended up here. Now Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhinim. For that I am going to go with the right foot to my right side and cross the left as if I am bending down to show the flower. Okay. So this, turn and open. Pullakusumita, and now because it is bloomed already, you can show for the beautification the bee. Okay. Pullakusumita Drumadala. Now for Shobhinim, we are going to show that it is everywhere. So for that we are going to take a circle with the pataka as if you are showing that it is all bloomed. So from here, from the left side, we are going to show that everything is bloomed here. Now let's combine these two lines. Shubhra Josna Pulakita Yaminim Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhinim. Next line is Suhasinim Sumadhura Bhashinim. So Suhasinim, we are going to show the smile and the pleasant face. Okay. So here we have to consider Mother Earth as if she is a human being. Okay. So how she would smile, how her face will be, that's basically the imagination of the poet. Okay. So we are going to show this again, left hand Latakya, right hand smile and the face. Okay. We are going to turn towards the right side slightly and keeping swastika position again. Okay. Suhasinim. Okay, quickly you have to do. Sumadhura Bhashinim. Now once you did it this angle, now you have to turn towards this angle. Okay. Sumadhura. Sumadhura, I think Madhura is like sweet, but I would like to consider this like a honey. So we are going to show the flower and with Hansasya as if the honey is dropping from that flower, or you can also imagine it's a hive and the honey is dropping from that. Okay. So with the foot you can just simply go again on Suchipada, or you can again cross in swastika. Okay. Sumadhura Bhashinim. Bhashinim, she speaks. Bhashinim. So how it will look? Suhasinim Sumadhura Bhashinim. Okay. Sukhadam Varadam. Sukhadam Varadam is what? Is she's blessing you with everything. I think Mother Earth gives us equally and she loves us unconditionally, right? She gives you everything to live your life. Okay. So this is what it means. So she's giving you all what you want. Okay. She's blessing you. So on the right side, center and left side. Okay. So we are going to show that she gives us everything. Sukhadam Varadam. So right side again you are giving it as if you are the Mother Earth and you are giving everything. Okay. And you are blessing everyone. You can do it straight also, because we just did it diagonally. So, you can do straight also, that is also fine. Okay. Sukhadam Varadam. Now again Mataram, Vande Mataram. Okay. You are going to bow down to her again. Okay. Mataram, Vande Mataram. We are going to repeat the signature step, right? I hope that you can learn this whole sequence. I am going to do this with the music after the second part. So, stay tuned for the second part. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep dancing.